Built square to stay square. Guaranteed. You'll never question the reliability of Woodpecker's new 641 and 851 squares. Designed for woodworking, our new squares deliver the precision woodworkers demand and offer features not found on other squares. For years and generations to come, these will be tools you can trust every time you reach for them. The 6-inch long 641 and 8-inch long 851 squares start the manufacturing process as a solid piece of very expensive, extremely stable cast aluminum tool plate. The plate is then carefully machined on our state-of-the-art CNC equipment. The result is a single-piece blade and handle square. This manufacturing process ensures the 641 and 851 squares are accurate to within 1/1000th of an inch or less along the full length of the tool. Once we have the perfect square, we add 2 pieces of precision machined aluminum to form the cheeks of the square's handle. These cheeks are fitted to the handle with 2 stainless steel dowel pins that ensure bulletproof rigidity and perfect alignment when pressed into their precision machined holes. This kind of strength and accuracy simply cannot be matched by squares made using separate blade and handle parts or punched out on a stamping press. These squares are stout yet lightweight and offer superb balance. The 641 square is small enough to tuck neatly into your shop apron. The larger 851 square is perfect for bench use. The blades on both squares are 1/4 inch thick and the handle is a full 3/4 inch. The inside edge of the square's handle features a shoulder to allow it to lay flat on the work so you can accurately mark either edge of the blade. The thick base makes it easy to stand the blade upright to check the square of your table saw blade, your router fence, or other machinery setup operations. With the square standing upright, checking casework parts for square is an effortless, hands-free operation. We even mill a notch at the inside corner of the square so you can zero out your layout line all the way to the edge of your work. Easy-to-read measurement scales are laser-etched in 1/16th inch increments on both sides of the blade. You can choose to order the 641 or 851 squares individually or save money when you buy the set. We also offer the 641 and 851 squares in metric versions that have 1mm scales. All 641 and 851 squares come in a custom-fitted case that's ready to mount on your shop wall. Woodpeckers takes pride in making these high-quality tools, and we think you'll take pride in the quality of work they'll enable you to do. Like all Woodpeckers tools, Woodpecker's 641 and 851 squares are manufactured using state-of-the-art CNC equipment operated by highly skilled machinists in the company's shop located near Cleveland, Ohio, in the USA.